In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopee's help resources to find solutions for common issues like the M04 error. Whether you're a frequent user of Shopee or just getting started, knowing how to quickly resolve issues can save you a lot of time and frustration. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Shopee website. If you're already familiar with how to get there, you can skip ahead a little, but for those who might be new or just need a quick refresher, you can find Shopee by typing in their web address in the URL bar or by searching for Shopee in your search engine. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to look around. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will come in handy when you're navigating through different sections of the site. Now that you're on the Shopee website, you're going to look for the Help section. This is typically found in the lower part of the home page. You might have to scroll down a bit to locate it. The Help section is a treasure trove of information. It's designed to assist you in finding answers to your queries, including technical issues like the M04 error. Once you're in the Help section, you'll see various options for the types of help available. Don't worry if this seems a bit overwhelming at first. These resources are categorized to make finding your solution as straightforward as possible. When you're in the Help section, if you're already experiencing something like the M04 error and want to ask how to fix it, and there's a search bar where you can type in your specific error or question. Let's focus on the M04 error for a moment. Simply type M04 error into the search bar and press enter. What will happen next is that Shopee's help system will bring up a list of articles, guides, or existing solutions that address this particular error. These resources are created by Shopee to give you step-by-step instructions or explanations about what might be causing the error and how you can solve it. Once you've followed the instructions or accessed the resources provided, you should have a better idea of how to tackle the M04 error issue. That's essentially it. By the end of this process, you've effectively used Shopee's help resources to solve a potential problem, which can significantly improve your online shopping experience. Remember, getting the hang of utilizing these tools and resources will make you a more empowered and proficient user. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to navigating Shopee's help resources. We've walked through going to the Show Description P website, locating the Help section, and finding solutions for specific issues like the M04 error. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.